Tutorial of Delphinium flower. Take a white twist stick first. We do the petal in the middle. There are two kinds of petals inside. A direct fold. The other one goes around like this. Then fold the other stick like this. This petal is a long shape. The length is about 2.5 centimeters. Then give it the root. Add a light cyan blue wash if you like, not included, skip if you want. This flower has 3 layers of petals. Now let's do the second layer. Made of blue twist sticks. It's the same as the white petal just now. The difference is a little longer than the white petals. It went around like this. Then fold it in the middle. Let's do another one now. The technique is actually similar. Length is approximately the same as the blue petals, then it just has to be wider. Now we're going to walk through the middle like this. It's like the space in the middle is filled with 2 sticks. Twist it at the bottom to fix it. Cut off the excess. The second layer is made of these 2 kinds of petals. And we make 4 of them, for a total of 8. And then we do the third layer of petals. The third petal is also a blue twisting rod. Then fold it in half. It's about the length of a knuckle. Twist it here to fix it. Fold the stick down. Twist 2 turns to fix. And then you fold it down. It's like folding it back and forth twice. Twist a few more turns at the bottom to fix it. The petals are ready. Cut off one of the sticks. Just keep one. This petal needs a light purple tint. Give it a little purple here in the middle of the pointy point. Then make it even. The second layer of petals can also give it a little purple. My habit is to clip him. You can also clip what you have at home. And what about this big petal? It's not fixed here. Fold directly. There is no connection between the twisting rods. Glue it. Let the petals connect. Just give the petals a little concave shape. Now do the middle stamen. Fold a little here. Then turn it like this and fold it again. Just fold it 3 times. Then leave a section at the bottom. Now ready to stick. Let's glue this stamen first. We have green flower poles in our suit. You can use a green stem here. After gluing, put the flower pole inside. Now squeeze it tight with your hands. After the stamens stick. Now we're ready to stick the petals. Stick the innermost white petals first. Little petal, put a little glue here. Then it sticks directly to the stamen. Then stick bigger petals. There are sticky size intervals here. The big petals stick directly next to each other like this. So one big and one small. Then notice each petal. It's okay if the length is the same. Now the big petals are glued. Let's adjust the spacing a little bit. Adjust the size. Adjust its shape. The innermost side is glued. Bake the roots with a lighter. Then the second layer is glued. The second layer is also one big and one small interval to stick. Let's glue half the petals first. It's stuck between the petals. A total of 8 petals. This little petal, leaning on top of a large petal. There is no skill in sticking petals. One big and one small. Then the petal shape bends it. Let the petal be the whole and an upward gesture. You can see that the petal is an upward wrapping feeling. Adjust this shape for it. The second layer is glued. Lighter to bake the roots. Because there are more layers of petals here, it's easy to be big at the root. And then grill the roots. The roots will be thinner. Now glue the third layer. Look at my method. There needs to be a little bit of exposure here and above. This flower as a whole is a gesture of buckling up like this. So there's a little tip on the petal. Will look better. Then the petals are half by half like this. It's glued like this. Pay attention when sticking. The height of the petals should be as consistent as possible. Height exposure is more consistent. This way the petals are more even. Now the flower is ready. Bake the roots a little finer. Then pinch tightly. I'll just give it a little blue on the spikes. It doesn't take much. This depends on everyone's preference. The flower is ready. Now let me teach you how to make flower buds. Is the same as the white petals. Bend the petals a little bit to stick. And this is a quadruple. Glue the petals evenly around the stem. As long as the height is the same, it is okay. Once glued, gently fan the petals outward slightly. The form of a half-open bud. And then we grill the roots. Just wrap it with floral tape. It's done like this. And what about this little ball? Just take a twist stick, then wrap it around. Pinch like this for a while. Pinch it tightly and take it off. Wear a white stick in the middle. Tighten. It's the same as that orange. Adjust its shape. The wire makes the shape easier to adjust. Then pinch it flat. And there you have it. I made these for this flower accessory. Just go down and put it together. The tutorial is over. See you next time.